Police have beefed up patrols in sections of Waterhouse St Andrew as the violence there continues to drive fear among residents. TVJ's Janella Presus has the latest in a little while in that story. Andrew, 8 people were left homeless after a fire ravaged their 3-bedroom house last night. TVJ's Krista Campbell has that story.
Sifting through the rubble, the aftermath of a late-night fire at 20 West Guango Crescent, St Andrew. It's not clear how the fire started, but the people say some of the damage could have been prevented if the fire unit which responded had adequate resources.
There was no water in the fire hydrant, so they had to call for 2 other fire trucks.
If the water never done, the room now would catch a fire. This is the last room to catch fire. My boyfriend wake me up and tell me say fire in the living room and then run out. I forgot to take up everything, so everything just burn. The last passport, TRA, iPad, phone, iPhone, my PlayStation, bed, fridge, stove and all these things and pot and I have nothing left.
6 adults and 2 children left homeless. Their immediate concerns are getting temporary housing and replacing the kids' school supplies. Residents have been helping, but they need much more.
I try clean up for try see if we can fit up back if it's even a little part for him rest a little more, because you don't know the rain weather and all of these things.
The community give a big help last night. As you can see, the van was going to catch a fire too, and because of the help, the van didn't get to burn up. Just a little damage.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.